An encouraging sign for farmers who want to diversify into mango production. 12,000 pounds of the fruit were exported to the United States this week, breaking a 20-year export spell. The Ministry of Agriculture has also announced an incentive for interested farmers. Picked, packaged and ready for export, these Julian East Indian mangoes are destined to the United States, home to thousands of Jamaicans. The fruit will be exported twice weekly until the close of the season in July. As an incentive to farmers, the Ministry of Agriculture is waiving the fees associated with inspection, storage and usage from May 2019 to May 2020.
Today I say to the farmers of Jamaica, start planting more mangoes. Work with the technical and extension staff of RADA and the other ministry divisions to ensure the highest crop production and management practices so that our mangoes can be duly certified for export into the U.S. market.
As part of the certification process, the mangoes are treated with ionizing radiation, which sterilizes fruit flies so that they're unable to reproduce.
The mango will taste the same as if it was just picked from the tree right here in Jamaica. It will maintain the exquisite freshness, taste, and flavor.
Distributors believe the resumption of mango exports has opened the door for other crops, but there are hindrances.
We cannot rest here. The opportunity is not only for mango with the irradiation program, but it's with a whole host of products. What is the limiting factor? There's not enough production. And not only with mangoes and fruits that are in such high demand, but all of the Jamaican produce has a wonderful flavor. It is wanted. It is needed. Our cost of production is too high. We don't have enough people involved. So the ministry, please, let us get these lands flowing and into production.